Anoma's kitchen dinner recipes. 1. Baked chicken parmesan. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup breadcrumbs, a half cup grated parmesan cheese, 1 tsp Italian seasoning, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1 tsp salt, a half tsp black pepper, 1 egg, beaten, 1 cup marinara sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, fresh basil for garnish. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 F190C. 2. In a shallow dish, mix together breadcrumbs, parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. 3. Dip each chicken breast in beaten egg, then coat in the breadcrumb mixture. Place on a baking dish. 4. Bake for 25 minutes, then top each chicken breast with marinara sauce and shredded mozzarella cheese. 5. Bake for an additional 10–15 minutes, until the cheese is melted and chicken is fully cooked. 6. Garnish with fresh basil and serve with your choice of side dishes. 2. Spaghetti carbonara. Ingredients: 1 pound spaghetti, 4 slices bacon, diced, 3 cloves garlic, minced, a half cup grated parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, a half cup heavy cream, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions: 1. Cook spaghetti according to package instructions until al dente. 2. In a separate pan, cook diced bacon until crispy. Remove from pan and set aside. 3. In the same pan, sew minced garlic until fragrant. 4. In a bowl, whisk together eggs, heavy cream, parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper. 5. Drain the cooked spaghetti and add it to the pan with garlic. Pour in the egg and cream mixture and stir quickly to coat the spaghetti. 6. Add the cooked bacon and toss everything together until well combined. 7. Serve hot and garnish with fresh parsley. 3. Grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tbsp olive oil, 4 tbsp butter, juice of 1 lemon, 2 cloves garlic, minced, fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions: 1. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. 2. Season salmon fillets with salt and pepper. 3. Brush both sides of the salmon with olive oil. 4. Grill salmon for about 5–6 minutes on each side until fully cooked. 5. In a small saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. Add minced garlic and cook for 1–2 minutes. 6. Turn off the heat and stir in the lemon juice. 7. Serve the grilled salmon with the lemon butter sauce drizzled on top and garnish with fresh parsley. 4. Vegetable stir fry. Ingredients: 1 tbsp vegetable oil, 2 cups mixed vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, snap peas, etc. 1 tbsp minced garlic, 1 tbsp minced ginger, 2 tbsp soy sauce, 1 tbsp oyster sauce, 1 tsp honey, 1 tsp sesame oil. Cooked rice for serving. Instructions: 1. Heat vegetable oil in a large pan or wok over high heat. 2. Add mixed vegetables and stir fry for 3–4 minutes. 3. Add minced garlic and ginger and continue to stir fry for another 1–2 minutes. 4. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, oyster sauce, honey, and sesame oil. 5. Pour the sauce over the vegetables and stir fry for an additional 1–2 minutes until the vegetables are coated in the